most people start online business, especially in affiliate marketing. We all want to make more money and possibly quit our 9 to 5. We want to have our own business, okay? But there is just one big problem, and that is the current state of the industry, which is very overwhelming. We all know, okay, especially if I can go back in time, okay, when I first started back in 2020, I'm gonna walk you through my story in the next few minutes. I feel super overwhelmed. I purchased the different courses, okay, from a $7 one to couple $100 one to over $1,000 one. Okay, so in that stage, I was very overwhelming, and the results, I didn't get any results. Okay, so this is why three mistakes, okay, people do why they fail online. Okay, so mistake number one, they have no idea where to start and end up buying products with a lot of hypes from different marketers who promise the world, but they just try to make some money off you. Okay, that was the mistake I made. I bought a lot of different courses. Okay, I I I put a lot of money on different ads. Okay, before I was ready. So I end up losing a lot of money. Okay, without making any money, but losing a lot of money. And mistake number two is that they do not have a proven daily action plan to follow. Okay, that will get results for complete beginners. We can see that when people start online. Okay, there are so many different platforms out there. I still remember that when I first started, okay, I worked on so many different platforms. TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, all kinds of different platforms, Instagram. And because I didn't have a proven daily action plan, I don't know which route is best for my situation. Okay, so I also see that a lot of people making this mistake. They learn, okay, try to be consistent, but they have no idea, okay, what content they should create, how to engage with their prospect, okay, what they should do at different level. Okay, when they are at different level, like if you are trying to make your first high ticket commissions online, okay, your daily action plan will be different than somebody is consistently making like 10K per month and they are trying to scale to over 20K per month. Okay, so that if you don't have a proven daily action plan that's going to be working for you, then it's very hard, okay, for you to succeed online. Mistake number three is that they don't have a mentor with the proven record for helping their students duplicate their results. Okay, we see a lot of people running around and trying to coach people. I want you guys to pay attention, okay, to the fact. I mean, everybody can make some money here and there, but how many people can actually create the same results for their students? That's the one thing you need to pay extra attention to. Okay, you need to pay extra attention to when you are looking for your coach or mentor. And this was me back in 2020. Okay, you see me sitting in the garage middle of night and trying to sort out all these Amazon orders. Okay, some of them are waiting to be shipped and some of them are returned. Okay, return shipment. So I work on this every day. I mean day and night, almost every day. Okay, so my story was that before I moved online, okay, before 2020, year 2020, I used to have my security business. Okay, I was the guy. I was a security contractor, came from an engineering background. But in year 2016, after my first son was born, I decided to move away from that career because I don't want to travel to dangerous areas, countries like war zones. Okay, that's part of my job. So in year 2016, I started my Amazon FBA business with my partner. My partner was was the Hollywood actor, so we had our own supplement brand. Long story short, okay, after those 2.5 years, okay, the partnership didn't work out, so I decide to, I mean, move away from that company. Then the only thing I knew online, okay, besides security, okay, is Amazon. Okay, so after I left that business, okay, that partnership, I still keep doing Amazon. So that's my business. After I left my supplement business, I still doing Amazon. Then I sell used books on Amazon. Then in 2020, okay, the COVID situation gets serious. Then my wife and I had a serious talk. Okay, maybe I should not keep doing this book hunting activity anymore because It's dangerous out there, and I go to the secondhand store every day, and all those items are touched by many different people. Okay, so that's dangerous. So my kind of like my wife forced me to find another way to generate income for the family, and I was trying to look for jobs, but didn't. I didn't. I mean, I didn't get any job at that time. So basically, I started looking for another business model. Okay, and that I can do online. But because I didn't have any money at that time, okay, I mean, because selling books, you can only make that much. Okay, maybe a couple $100, $1,000 per month for me. Okay, that's not enough. And because my supplement business, last supplement business failed, so I ended up with a lot of debt. Ended up with $35,000 in credit card debt. I couldn't pay the debt, so American Express just sued me. Okay, I couldn't file bankruptcy either. Okay, I spoke with the lawyer. I couldn't file bankruptcy either because I have some equity. Okay, so they're gonna sell off my equity, which I'm gonna lose my house and lose everything. So that's not the way to go. Okay, otherwise I could file bankruptcy, get the creditor off my back, but I couldn't. So they ended up sue me. So I have to go through the legal process. So while having this huge debt, I don't have enough money to buy additional inventory of whatever products I try to sell on Amazon. Okay. So I had no choice because I have no money in the pocket. I need to find a way to make money without, without investing too much money, okay, or operating cost to start my another new business. That's how I found this affiliate marketing business model. Okay. Then I found out, oh, I don't need to buy a product, but I can actually sell the product or promote the product to the customers who are looking for this type of product and make a commission in between. Okay. So I like this business model. And in May 2020, okay, after my research, I stopped buying courses, okay, trying to learn how to do affiliate marketing, then start doing it. I started from doing ClickBank, Warrior Plus, JV Zoo. Okay. After a couple months of trying, I started making money. Okay. So I know this online business model is real. It's real. Okay. So you can see I during that time in year 2020, okay, here are some screenshots. I started from promoting products from ClickBank, JV Zoo, Warrior Plus, okay, and the DG Store 24. There are so many different affiliate networks out there. So I just watch a lot of YouTube videos. Okay, I bought some entry courses. I learned how to do product review videos. Okay, so basically that's what I did. I started from doing YouTube product review videos, aka people call lunch jacking, okay, in this industry. For people who don't know what lunch jacking is, basically lunch jacking means when new product is getting ready to be launched, the product vendor usually works with different or several big affiliates, okay, who has huge email list. So by working with those super affiliate, when the product is launched, those super affiliate will send the product information, okay, promote that particular product to their email list. Okay. And we come in to ethically hijack this traffic. Okay. Because when we first started out, we don't have our own email list yet. Nobody knows about us. Okay. We don't have our own following yet. How can we get traffic quick? So we use this technique, okay, by targeting all those products which will be launched, let's say next week, 2 weeks later, okay, 3 weeks later. Okay, the products are not out in the marketplace yet. So I create a review video on YouTube or review article on my blog. Okay, so when the product is out, when those super affiliates start emailing their email list about this particular product, okay, a lot of them, because they already trust, okay, whoever they are following, okay, but some of them from their email list, before they buy the product, what what are they gonna do? They're gonna go on Google, they go on YouTube to check such product review, okay? And they're gonna encounter a lot of review videos, okay? And one of those videos is mine, okay? And by offering my bonuses when they watch my review video, and I'm gonna offer my bonuses, okay? Then basically that customer is gonna end up using my link to purchase the product instead of clicking through the original link inside the email that he or she, this customer, received from that super affiliate. So this is called launch jacking. I ethically hijack the traffic sent by other people, but I close the sale using my bonus. Okay. So by using this technique, that's 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 all I do. Okay, in year 2020, while I still learning. Okay, doing research and making all kinds of mistakes. So you can see some screenshots here. I can make like 12 sales a day and making this $200 commission, making 2 sales a day. That made me about $70. Okay. Hey Jason, yeah, I did lunch jacking for a while, made zero. Yeah, it was not easy. It was not easy. And you see that sales, I made 6 sales, okay, $146. Okay. So you can see I started making sales, but nothing significant. Okay. So I know the online business model works, but no way I can make, I mean, 10K per month. There's no way. I couldn't even make maybe 2K per month. Okay. That I'm talking about working like 10 hours, 12 hours every day, cranking out different YouTube review videos. Okay. Still every month, not enough money to put food on the table. So I ended up put my family on food stamps. Okay. So it's government welfare over here. It was not it was not something I like to talk about, but I really are grateful for that. Otherwise, I mean, I would be in big trouble. I couldn't even buy food for my family. So anyway, I know the business model works. However, no way I can make 10K per month, 5K per month, or even 3K per month. Okay. So in year 2021, January, I started doing more research, okay, trying to find out where I did wrong, okay. Then then that's first time I encountered this high ticket affiliate marketing business model, okay. Then I start doing high ticket affiliate marketing. Then I realized I learned, okay, maybe uh, the customer base is a little bit different, but the amount of the work, the effort you're gonna put in to build your business, whether you are promoting low ticket products or high ticket products, will be the same. Okay. S- I learned that in a hard way. I finally learned that. Okay. So I started doing high ticket affiliate marketing. Okay, the main difference sometimes is even sometimes it's going to help your business more if you do high ticket affiliate marketing right off the gate. So I highly encourage, or right now I pretty much force my student, okay, only do high ticket affiliate marketing if you want to be successful. Why? Because a lot of these products from ClickBanks, Warrior Plus, and JVZoo, okay, a lot, not all of them, but I would say 95%, 99% of them are in low quality, okay. I would say inferior products because those product creators, they are like one man operation, okay. So they don't have resources that they put in place to support the product they have launched. So what they do is that they just their job, okay, is to launch product every single month to collect email list, then promote other products at the back end. Okay, so that's how they make their money, which means the product they launched, okay, sometimes when customer purchase this product, 30 days later, when let's say if there is some glitch, there is some update problem with the software you just purchased from me through me, then you send a support ticket, but nobody is responding to your issue, okay. Then how would you feel? You feel angry. So by me promoting this this kind of low quality products, people gonna buy from me because of my bonuses. Okay, they're gonna buy from me once, but they will never buy from me again. Not because of me, but because of the product I'm promoting. They are angry with the lack of support after they make the purchase. Okay, so when you lose trust from your audience, okay, there is no business. So even though I put in like 10 hours, 12 hours every single day, I design amazing bonuses. I try to help people out, but my business never grow. Okay, my business cannot grow. Okay, so very be very careful about this. Okay, because you represent the product you are promoting, but the product you are promoting also represent you. I finally learned that. Okay, so in year 2021, after I learned from my mistakes, I decided to start working with mentor. Okay, it seems that one day, okay, one day I forgot who told me this, but uh, I realized that in order, I mean, because I have my goal, okay, I want to become one of the best in the industry eventually, okay. But how come I cannot even make a thousand, $2,000 per month when people making like 10K, 20K, and some people I admire, they make 100, 200, 300, 400K per month, okay. How come? Then then somebody, okay, reminded me that if I, because I like basketball, okay, so I watch NBA all the time. If you watch all the high level NBA players, okay, do you think that they work with their own coaches? How many mentors do they have? Okay, so that woke me up. Oh yeah, they like Kobe Bryant. Okay, he has the fitness coach, he has basketball coach, he had like mindset coach. Okay, so if you want to become a top player, you need to find a person who has what you want to have. Okay, then copy every step he or she is doing. That's the fastest way for you to achieve success. Okay, I know that, but I just forgot about that because I was under financial pressure. Okay, and when you live in poverty, I mean, I don't need to tell you how much pressure that is. Okay, so my mind is not thinking like I should be as the top level entrepreneur. Okay, so in year 2021, I started promoting high ticket offer because high ticket products, the ticket price is higher. That's true. But it also means that the product quality is much higher. Okay. And much more people are getting results. Okay. Based on the data. This is true. This is fact. Okay. When people enroll into the high ticket program because they put the money where their mouth is, their success rate is much higher than you go out there buy some like do it yourself cheap courses, okay, and try to do it yourself. I mean, that's just the fact. Okay,